Hey guys, Doug Badger here, Weber Grill Enthusiast. I'm here with App today showing you how to cook a nice grilled peach appetizer on the Spirit II E310, the Weber grill. We're cooking on the red one today. It also comes available in blue and white and also black. So like I said, today we're doing some grilled peaches. We're gonna put them on a crostini with a little flavored cream cheese, gorgonzola, and honey. It's amazing. What's great about this recipe is you're able to do a lot of the work ahead of time. So I've already mixed my cream cheese. It has thyme and sugar in it, so it's really sweet and has that great flavor. My peaches are already cut in half and pitted. We also have our crostini bread is already sliced up and ready to go. So we're gonna take our peaches here. We have our olive oil brushed on them already. We're gonna bring them over to the grill and we're gonna cook them direct on medium to low heat, 350 to 400 degrees. All right, so we should have some nice sear marks on these now. They've been on a few minutes. Hopefully get some nice crosshatch marks. They're nice and caramelized. And that's the key when grilling fruit. You really want to get that caramelized look. So you'll be really surprised. The peach really, it changes its flavor a lot when you grill it on the grill. Okay, so our peaches are going for a few minutes. We flipped them over and they've gone for another couple minutes. So now that I know my peaches are about a minute away from being done, it's time to brush our crostini breads here with a little olive oil. And then we're gonna transfer them to our pan. And it's gonna be time to put these on the grill as well. Like I said, this bread only takes a minute. We're just toasting it and getting it nice and crispy. These peaches are looking beautiful. Close the lid once more, and we'll flip those in about 30 seconds. Okay, so everything's finished. We're gonna get it off the grill. Our peaches are nice and soft, caramelized, and our crostinis are beautifully toasted. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start building our crostinis here. We'll just get started with a few. Okay, so we take our thyme and sugar cream cheese. We made sure to let it soften at room temp. That's really important because it won't spread otherwise. Spread a little bit on each one. Okay, this is coming together. Very nice. Okay, and then what we do is we'll take one of our peaches here and we'll just cut some about a 1/4 inch thick slices. Oh, and they're so soft, nice and caramelized. What we want to do is we have a pretty big slice here. Normally I'd use 2, but this is going to cover the whole piece. 1 piece of grilled peach there. Okay, and then we're going to just get a little gorgonzola on there. These flavors might sound a little odd, but I'll tell you, when they're all mixed together, it is one of the best things you'll ever have. Okay, and last step, a little drizzle of honey. And that's your sweet thyme grilled peach gorgonzola crostini on the Spirit 310. And I'll tell you, it's one of the best appetizers you can have on a grill or anywhere for that matter.